Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I would like to share to you a tutorial on how you can find out what day is your birthday by using your date of birth in Microsoft Excel. So here I've already provided data with names and also the date of birth, and we're going to find out the day, what day each of these date of birth is. So we're going to use this formula, the tax formula. So I'm going to type in here equal sign and then tax parenthesis, and we're going to pick this first data and then semicolon and apostrophe and d. Okay, lowercase d. This is the format for a day. So I'm going to just click enter. So the birthday will show up like this, and we're going to drag to find out the whole name's birthday. Just like that. It's so easy, right? Okay, so that's it, how you can find out what day you were born. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it from me today. See you guys next time.